Lissabon, og det er til 31, 32, 33 grader varmt.
Det tror jeg er til skyggen. Synes du ikke, det føles varmere?
Jo, det gør det.
Det føles rigtig varmt i hvert fald.
Ja.
Og ind i vores flyver her, vi skal sidde i de næste timer. Mange. Hello everybody! Everybody say, what should they say? Cheese? Yeah, what is your name?
What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Lucy, what is your name? Gabby, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Victor.
What is your name? And you too? And you too? Yeah, this is my good friend. What is your name? Simon.
Ja, så står vi oppe på en bro og kigger lidt ned, og der er sgu en masse affald i det her vandløb. Og så er der bare ellers lidt huse omkring mig, og så vender søen bare den anden vej, så er der lige så meget skrald. Og ja.
What is about here? What's about here? That's smelling.
Yeah.
This is Africa. This is Africa. So, you have to enjoy it. The smelling too, you have to enjoy it. Okay?
Yeah. Så er vi på vej ned til stranden, og ja, det var anden dagen, så
Hello.
So, we are heading for the... Eller ja, så... Det er det der med, at man lige veksler lidt mellem engelsk og dansk en gang imellem. Men nu er vi sgu på vej til stranden, og vi har været her i 2 dage, og vi er allerede ved at dø af varme. Nej. Ja, det gør den. Det er sådan en rigtig lille valvelort. Ja. Vandet ser sgu godt ud, og der er lidt mere luft herude, og der er parasoller, og der er alt muligt lækre, og så er der faktisk også andre hvide mennesker. Men nu vil jeg sgu begynde at nyde vandet lidt sammen med de andre, så ja.
Okay, now we are heading to Labadi Beach, and this is our first time driving in Torture, yeah. And it's quite comfortable, actually.
Yeah, because the wind goes through the windows and hits the face, and it's lovely.
Yeah, it's like air conditioned. Now I'm videotaping Safiano at our chill zone, and he has been watching all our stuff all the time when we have been out swimming, which has been great. So, oh, and he's sitting with the little dog now. Oh, it's so cute.
Jeg sidder sammen med Simon, som er mig selv, og sammen med Tango. Yeah.
Simon, Leon,
Yeah.
very delicious.
Yeah.
My friends took the school food.
Yes.
They like it, but it's worried that it's not much. So, they just want to with next time, they're gonna try it next time. So, take my food.
How to eat it. That's the first time we ate it. It's like it's spilled everywhere.
So
there are
it's very good.
yeah, there are fish in it,
and then there is this thing made out of mashed shrooms, I think, and then there is this kind of soup which is very spicy. So it's fufu.
Yeah, fufu.
Yeah.
You know, it's good, very, very good fufu. I like it, you know.
Yeah.
When I ate it, it came in strong.